So whether it's a relationship with someone, or whether it's a kind of pattern you've been holding in terms of how you deal with people, how you speak, how you think. So when it comes to, say, positivity, how do you know the quality of your thoughts and your thinking? How do you know whether you're a positive person or a negative person? So these are things we do cover in a typical emotional intelligence class to check the quality of your thinking and the quality of your feeling. So what do I mean by quality of feeling? One of the things you can ask yourself is this: generally throughout the day, what's the predominant emotion you are feeling? And then look at the mirror as often as you can. Where are your shoulders? Now that could be posture, of course. So you could be really positive with a different kind of posture. But what's your posture like? And what do you like when you face people? Do you feel like, I don't really want to meet too many people? And what's the reason behind that? Is it a lack of confidence, lack of a kind of competency? It's you're not comfortable with yourself? And again, it can be any one of these, and all of these things can be addressed. Okay, everything can be addressed, provided you're clear about what the source is. Okay, so one is to be clear about what the source is behind why you feel what you feel. Because we don't feel feelings for nothing. Feelings are random. They just come, but they come for a reason. Okay, so you don't get sad suddenly, and you don't get happy for no reason. Although there's a book called Happy for No Reason, but that means something else. And you would get angry for a reason, unless you just have these feelings without knowing where they're coming from. Then that could be a syndrome. Okay, so for example, if you're happy for no reason, you're generally happy, great, don't even question it. If you're angry for no reason, I think you should. Okay, ask yourself, what's the source? Where's it coming from? A lot of it could actually come from your parents. So let me just say this, which is not part of the slides. Your age 1 to 12 is a critical period. So if you had parents who use a lot of what we call negative reinforcement. And when we talk about negative reinforcement, think about what maybe your mom or dad could have said. You will amount to nothing, or you are so this that I think you're going to become this. Mommy will only love you if, conditional love. As opposed to the encouragement when you heard words like, don't worry, it's okay, these things happen, what will you do next time? With the right tone too. Because sometimes we capture the words, and people always say, no, people forget the words. But the words are very important. If you've done certain courses on communication, would have said words, I only just say 7%. I really don't know. I think people remember words and then they keep score, right? They may not keep score on how you felt, but they'll keep score based on what you said. So I think words are really important, and children keep it. Okay, children keep it. So now you must be wondering, okay, so now you've just highlighted for me my troubles from the past. So what do we do with it? And there is a way to close the chapter and close the loop. Okay, but it doesn't get closed like that. The work has to be done. Okay, so work has to be done on anyone who's supposing that's the reason behind why you feel what you feel.